really far from the rainforest, in a place where it hardly ever rains. We're in the desert, in the country of Egypt.
Diego!
That's my friend Medina. She works in the Animal Rescue Center here. The animals in Egypt are a lot different from the animals in the rainforest. Do you want to see them? Come on! Hola, Medina.
Ahlan.
In English, we say hi. In Spanish, we say hola. In Arabic, we say ahlan. Say ahlan.
Ahlan, welcome to Egypt and my rescue center.
I came all the way to Egypt to learn about desert animals. What's this animal, Medina?
It's a desert fox. It's the smallest fox in the world. And he does well in the hot desert because he doesn't have to drink any water.
Wow!
His backpack.
Squeak! Squeak! Ayúdame! Help me, Diego! Ayúdame! Squeak! Squeak! That sounds like the baby river dolphin. Do you see the river dolphin?